though. Jug in the morning, Alonzo. Nigga try to take my chain, I'm hin. Every player nigga get, I'm hin. Little baby throw that pussy, I'm hin. All the jewelry on me know that it hin. Club get behind me, nigga, I hit it. Every nigga with me ready to hit. Mono on the base, nigga, it hit. You know that. Hin, diamond, hin, plays, hin, hoe, hin, 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 diamond, hin, hoe, hin, play, hin, whip, hin, chain, hin, hin, hin. Better watch your hoe, hin. Better watch your hoe, I hit her. Better watch your hoe, I hit her. Hin, 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 diamond, hin, chain, hin, hoe, hin, hin. Better watch your hoe, I hit her. Hin.
Better get your hoe for a knife. Hit my shot first time I snipe. Put a ring on the money, I ain't think about wiping. Let's be straight. Left the house with 100K. Honestly, this a light day. Walk hard hitting. I don't gotta call for a cold, been high. I'm just sipping for the taste. Pillow talk for the cat, you a certified rat. Taking risks for this money and I pray I make it back. Stand up, got no lie, getting away of that money. On life, you can die by them racks. I'm angel on my hoodie, but the devil on my back. My little nigga ride with Drake's in the scat. Get out, walk him down, know he on it. Cash him out as soon as he take her to wax. I hit it, she loving, I'm lustin'. They calling me daddy, no trust fund. Her double D titties, I bust on. To the streets, I be preaching, I'm reverend. Ice hitting, tight Sunday. Water around me, island. Running up money to it, ain't nothing. Up there with all the grace, an icon. Label me.
Hey, hen, hen, diamond, hen, plays, hen, hoe, hen, 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 diamond, hen, hoe, hen, play, hen, whip, hen, chain, hen, hen, hen. Better watch your hoe, hen. Better watch your hoe, I hit her. Better watch your hoe, I hit her. Hen, 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 diamond, hen, chain, hen, hoe, hen, hen. Better watch your hoe, I hit her.
Hen, ho, all the diamonds on me, they hitting. Fool, Benz, yeah, it's the mayor pussy, know I got plenty. Send me, caught a bit bad and it sound like a Hemi. Listen, pussy nigga wanna start beef, I'ma finish. I'm my thing. Boom, I tell you, nigga on the business. I put a nigga on the ceiling, and his ass ain't going for a visit. I'ma kill him. Now he dead. Boy, I keep a bullet in the head. I ain't taking back what I said. Pillow talking, he gon' lay that bed. You can't get away from the mail. Ho, ho, double cup, I can't get away from the meds. Ho, ho, is that too loud? I can't hear a word that you said. Fool, don't wanna hear it in the way I heard it to the Fed. Ho, if we catch him, we gon' hit that nigga with the leg.
Hen, hen, diamond, hen, plays, hen, hoe, hen, 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 diamond, hen, hoe, hen, play, hen, whip, hen, chain, hen, hen, hen. Better watch your hoe, hen. Better watch your hoe, I hit her. Better watch your hoe, I hit her. Hen, 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 diamond, hen, chain, hen, hoe, hen, hen. Better watch your hoe, I hit her. Hen.
This is after that nigga.
Yeah, I don't know how, but I gotta make it work. Got it from the ground, yeah, I got it from the dirt. I can't settle down till I'm flies on the earth. Go and spend a rent, every day feel like the first. Almost signed a Cactus Jack, instead they signed Perp. Almost signed with Drizzy's Cam, man, that shit hurt. Yeah, flowers always grow when conditions are the worst. Yeah, money on my mind, I can't put these bitches first. No way. Even when I'm sick, dog, I ain't skipping work. You could have that chick, dog, I done hit it first. Smash. I was in the scope, man, that situation hurt. Fuck it though, let's go, I gotta get what I deserve. Yeah. Gotta ease my pain, I need a perk. Yeah, stay true to my word. Need a Bentley on the curb. Splash on my shirt, gotta rep what I bird. Snakes tryna lurk, so I gotta stay alert. Yeah, gotta duck a goofy, you rappers all confuse me. La Ferrari 2C, LA was a movie. Gotta keep it real, I learn more from all the losing. Now it's time to do it, I've been going stupid. I don't know how, but I gotta make it work. Got it from the ground, yeah, I got it from the dirt. I can't settle down till I'm flies on the earth. Go and spend a rent, every day feel like the first. Almost signed a Cactus Jack, instead they signed Perp. Almost signed with Drizzy's Cam, man, that shit hurt. Yeah, flowers always grow when conditions are the worst. Yeah, money on my mind, I can't put these bitches first.
Johnny Drama, I know he says in the line, what does he say? What does he say? He said, copycat rap is trying to do what I do.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
All these rap dudes around here, but they don't got no voice. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Like, they all say that they can rap, they all get on a mic, but they don't got the voice. All these guys are just copycatters.
Right.
Trying to just do what the next man does.
That's a fact.
So shout out to Johnny Drama. That's a real one.
Yeah. Hey. Whipping wood grain like I'm courtside. Yeah. Brand new thing from the north side. When I hear you rappers, it's just more lies. Made the city move, my flow immortalized. Feeling like I'm Hopkins, how I caught the vibe. Shorty wanna hop and let me deep inside. Whoa. This was out of reach, but never out of mind. Gotta find my peace before I'm out of time. Looking up to God, but I never been religious. Everything I got is on my own and wasn't privileged. Grew up by the bridge, I tried avoiding burning bridges. But won't get over me out here, there ain't no mercy given. Let's go. Whipping wood grain like I'm courtside. I'ma spend a weekend in the north side. See the money clear like I'm 4-eyed. I've been on the island, I'm reporting live. I've been driving whips on the shoreline. Never let a hater fuck up your mind. Remember always wondering who am I? Yeah, now I know, dog. Yeah. Black truck drive on the 495. How I'm in a fight with my shorty on the side. Said you signing this and that, dog, but you lied. Revolution sold out, so my mama cried. We ain't giving second chances, now we cutting ties. Smoking in the Uber, shit is fucking up my eyes. Not around me now, I did too much for you guys. Wishing you the best, at least you gave this shit a try. Didn't wanna hurt your girl, that's probably why I lied. Monsoon, 20 bottles to me, oh my. 30 show run, don't have time for being shy. Manifested everything around me, that's why.
We got London on the track.
100 been dropped on the head of any nigga wanted, man. Pop me as any, I'm fast, I'm so faster than Sunny, man. True to man, true to man, true to my nigga, true religion, Buddha, man. My money stay tall as Ludacris, I throw and I swear I'ma shoot with it. I just hit for 9 birds, what I'ma do with that? Pull up on the curb, then you hop out and be through with that. I'm so fresh like this detergent, if you not fresh, you so through with that. If you are a nerd, everything you not cool with it. Yes, you not cool. No, you not boo. I don't get no damn, I'm not calling you boo. My bitch, she a Jew. You can't prove a point, but you know you so doomed. You know you so doomed. I swear I'm so lost with no clue. Don't know what to do. Over loud. How over loud on these niggas ain't know how to milk these cows. She made that dick grow, now it be like a town. Yeah, but I can feel them with been no Bible. 100 been dropped on the head of any nigga wanted, man. Pop me as any, I'm fast, I'm so faster than Sunny, man. True to man, true to man, true to my nigga, true religion, Buddha, man. My money stay tall as Ludacris, I throw and I swear I'ma shoot with it. I just hit for 9 birds, what I'ma do with it? Pull up on the curb, then you hop out and be through with it. I'm so fresh like this detergent, if you not fresh, you so through with it. If you are a nerd, everything you not cool with it.
Pull up, hop out on the block, they tucking their tail like a Hooter clan. I'm dressed in all black, I'm always on the road just like a Uber man. We rapping and sending them packs, soon as they land, we moving them. Shame it on the OGs, they influence me. Alright, yeah, man, count money, nigga. I ain't even just make money, nigga. I put a little stick on the Rari, she say that's delicious. Who that is in that crown, Vic, he looks suspicious. I just took the 100 pounds, I made 100
been dropped on the head of any nigga wanted, man.
myself a life, bitch. Yeah, fuck you, your mom, and everything else.
Young
Free to
Shad,
go.
You killed this track.
That's my best friend, that's my best friend. Bless me. Big old booty bitch message from Texas. What's necessary? I'ma skeet all the nigga come catch me. Catch me. And that's my bestie, my bestie, my best friend. Go best friend, nigga.
Winning, I'm winning, winning. I'm winning, winning, winning. I'm winning, I'm winning again. So I'm spinning, spinning. I'm spinning, spinning, spinning. I'm spinning, I'm spinning again. I'm spinning, spinning. I'm spinning, 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 spinning. I'm spinning, I'm spinning again. I'm spinning, spinning. I'm spinning, 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 spinning. I'm spinning, I'm spinning again. On that block, I'm like that hopscotch. Oh shit, done fucked around and got pulled over by the cops. Nothing in my car because I'm not selling weed. I'm out here hitting the stores. I'm all in the Fendi Rodeo Drive. I'm so high cause I'm spending the money. Motherfucking big ballers tryna look at me funny. Like, does he really have it? Goddamn, is it a bad habit? You know I'm out here bouncing around like jackrabbits cause I'm winning. I'm winning, winning. I'm winning, winning. Hit the block with my friends in Vegas. Know we sinning on the strip. I take a drip and take a trip back home on my own. Bitch, I'm always in the zone cause I'm spinning, spinning. I'm spinning, spinning. I'm spinning again. I'm spinning, spinning. I'm spinning, spinning. I'm spinning again.
Once upon a time, a while ago, I was broke, grew up, had to kick a dough. Now I rock with mink all on the floor. I might put up a link mink on your hoe. Respect my drip, my nigga designer, hit the toe. I'm the boss of dripping sauce, so don't get lost. They want a feature, but they can't afford the cost. My rate just double, 16 bucks cost you a house. I'm spending money like I'm printed in the house. I'm the trap god, I'm the Jay-Z of the South. I'm the coolest nigga I done ever seen. If you ask me, I'm the GOAT, but that's just me. Fuck your opinion, my opinion, back to spending. If you ain't got it, why did you not go and get it? That's how I live, fuck friends, fuck opinions. You make mistakes, you make friends, I make millions.
I'm spinning, spinning. I'm spinning, spinning. I'm spinning again. I'm spinning, spinning. I'm spinning, spinning. I'm spinning again.
And it came from the bottom, down below. Remember them cold nights, I was sleeping on the floor. Always dream about the 4G out on feet, now they down below. A nigga got so much money on me, I can't count no more. Remember I was in the project wall, couldn't even get along. Now they niggas got their hands out, if I ain't give it, I be wrong. Remember I was in the county jail, none of these bitches wasn't picking up the phone. Now they making my line, I ain't got time no more. A nigga started from the bottom, now I'm living. Early morning, Uncle whipping in the kitchen. Some people said I couldn't do it and I did it. Look at my bank account, I'm running up the digits. I ain't in all that doing that facade shit. I walk it, I talk it, I live it. Come to the birdhouse, look at the garage, nigga. My Bentley coupe got a couple pigeons. I was down on my ass, had to go a new direction. Bought my mama Gucci purse, gave her 10 racks, told her you ain't gotta stress it. It ain't even an emergency and a nigga about to pull up in a 911 just to feed my dog. I told God it's a blessing. Came from the bottom, down below. Remember them cold nights, I was sleeping on the floor. Always dream about the 4G out on feet, now they down below. A nigga got so much money on me, I can't count no more. Down below, down below, down below, down below, oh, 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 down below, down below, down below, down below, oh, oh, oh. Riding rich shit, I never took the safe route. Nigga came from the bottom, I had to make it out. I was trapping in the box, I had to break out. Hurt my soul when the feds kicked down the vacant house. Black truck on the corner, they had a stakeout. Seen a dope boy pulling out a Rafe out. Had to get about the hood to the lake house. The head chef about to bring my steak out. I was pouring up the leaders, swiping them visas. They think a nigga Rondo, cause I always kept a Nina. Now my jewelry wetter than Aquafina. Quick trick to Catalina. White bitch better Selena. Fuck it, and a nigga gotta leave her. I just wanna shine like the Red Roof star, cause a nigga been down so long. Ain't nobody see bird vision, dog. Got it all on our own. Remember them nights I was driving all night long. Now I keep a shooter on the right, just in case a nigga try to do me wrong. Yeah, yeah. Came from the bottom, yeah. Down below. Remember them cold nights. I was sleeping on the floor. All you dream about the 4G, I don't feed, now they down below. A nigga got so much money on me, I can't count no more. Down below, down below, down below, down below, oh, oh, oh. Down below, down below, down below, down below, oh, 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 yeah, yeah.
Fuck these niggas up.
Cardi Bobs, Cardi.
We the best music.
The block, Cardi. With the block, Cardi. Yeah, Cardi.
Another one.
Yeah. Cardi.
DJ
They
Khaled.
say my time is almost up, so them bitches wish. All these hoes looking cold, all these bitches fish dicks. Put a ribbon on my box, cause this pussy gifted. I ain't got no free time, all my shit expensive. See my ring, my watch, my chain, and everything is lit. All this gold on a bitch, I feel like I'm slick Rick. If they love me or they hate me, it don't make no difference. It be hard not to kill a hoe, cause I be tempted. Now I be counting money, buying jewelry, hoes be riding dick. I just make my M's and mind my business, hoes be riding dick. I can see Cardi eat so much and that's what got him sick. But I wonder how they still impregnate all that riding dick. Y'all better go ahead with that weak shit. I'm certified real street bitch. Won't be a song if I leak shit. We strapped up like defense. Whatever you do, sis, keep it cute, sis. Leave that beef and shit a roof, Chris, I end up toothless. I've been official my whole life. I bought burners, I ain't buy lights. How little old me getting money got everybody all tight. These bitches whack, bitches garb. They diss me, I
Say you want someone. Say you want someone. Said you want someone.
Say you want someone. I think I got mixed personalities. This bitch switched up my whole mentality. This girl, she got mixed personalities. One day she's happy, then she mad at me.
Say you want someone that'll love you, so who can please you, so who can kiss on and rob you. Fuck you like this, fuck you like that.
Oh, now I got mixed personalities. She got me stressing, singing melodies. For her, I swear I catch a felony.
Oh, Penelope.
Say you want someone.
Say you want someone.
Say you want someone.
Said you want someone. I swear to God, this girl be trippin', dawg. One day she blooded, then she crippin', dawg. You know I put it in her kidneys, dawg. She screaming now she needs some lifting, dawg. She blocking, ignoring my call. She keep on blocking, ignoring my call. I'm all inside, I knock down the wall. This bitch hyper needs some Adderall. Oh no.
I think I got mixed personalities. This bitch switched up my whole mentality. This girl, she got mixed personalities. One day she's happy, then she mad at me.
Say you want someone that'll love you, someone who can please you, someone who can kiss on and rob you. Fuck you like this, fuck you like that. Oh Lord, I ain't never been here before. Oh Lord, oh keep pressing it. Oh Lord, she keep ignoring my calls and blocking me on everything, bitch. Oh no. Oh, and it's my fault. I got the key to the little bitch heart, and you can't get the vault. Better go get a lock, bitch. Better go get your Glock, bitch. Pull up on the motherfucking op. If he playing with my slime, that's my boo, that's my slime, that's my everything. That's my bitch forever, don't need no wedding ring. I get her the world, polka dots on her new pajama. Take the bitch out to Bahamas, let the hoe eat that Benny Hunter. Matter of fact, ain't tryna meet the mama. Dick her down at the other way. Dick her down, yeah, the other way. Dick her down, yeah, the thug away. I can know your dog, tryna give you love. You keep telling me you don't give a fuck. You won't find nobody that can fuck you like I fuck you, babe. You won't find nobody that can fuck you like I fuck you, babe. You won't find nobody that can fuck you like I fuck you, babe. Young nigga well, and I got them young nigga well.
I think I got mixed personalities.
This bitch switched up my whole mentality.
This girl, she got mixed personalities. One day she's happy, then she mad at me.
Say you want someone.
Say you want someone.
Said you want someone.
Say you want someone.
I really run it up. Yeah, 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 ain't play no games with this shit. I got that worker from Palo, they hit on my guala, then told her we made for this shit. Niggas stay working for commas, we stack up that guala, see, I put my name on the shit. Flip with that smoke on that ganja, I bang for the commas, see, I put my name on the shit. Hold up, you, yeah, you said they watch how I move, yeah, you said they watch how I move, yeah, you said they watch how I move, yeah, you said they watch how I
really run it up, baby. If the topic is money, I'm coming up. She gon' sell to our pot without coming up. I'm the man in the front, you the runner up. Really don't give a fuck, yeah. How I move, way I talk, they try pick it up. I can call when I want, she be picking up. Niggas, bitches, they really be switching up. Can't play no game, I got too much to lose. Want me to fall, I got something to prove. Really still with no trace, I won't leave them a clue. In the check, I can't rig and I painted it blue. If it's me and my shorty, we hop in the crew. My little youngers go crazy, they loving the crew. He handle business, can't wait to recruit. Probably, yeah, they try make me a movie. I can stand still and my diamonds keep moving. Gave him my all, try to guide him to do it. Got partners who gon' tryna guide him with music. Little bro don't play around, if he got it, he use it. Go against us, nigga, gotta be stupid. Ride with this stick, I gotta be moving. Every day, let them comments be moving. This shit we be doing inside of a movie.
I really run it up, yeah. Ain't play no games with this shit. I got that worker from Palo, they hit on my guala, then told her we made for this shit. Niggas stay working for commas, we stack up that guala, see, I put my name on the shit. Flip with that smoke on that ganja, I bang for the commas, see, I put my name on the shit. Hold up, you, yeah, you said they watch how I move, yeah, you said they watch how I move, yeah, you said they watch how I move, yeah, you said they watch, hold up, you, yeah, you said they watch how I move, yeah, you said they watch how I move, yeah, you said they watch how I move, yeah, you said.
watch out. Money don't trick, but they got big rocks. Binge in the whip, do the dash from the cops.
Yeah. Okay. Lil CC on the beat. Yeah. I mean, where the fuck should I really even start? I got hoes that I'm keeping in the dark. I got my niggas cross the street living large. Thinking back to the fact that they dead, thought my raps wasn't facts till they sat with the bars. I got 2 phones, one need a charge. Yeah, they twins, I could tell they ass apart. I got big packs coming on the way. I got big stacks coming out to save. I got Lil Max with me, he the wave. It's a big gap between us and the game. In the next life, I'm trying to stay paid. When I die, put my money in the grave. When I die, put my money in the grave. I really gotta put a couple niggas in their place. Really just lapped every nigga in a race. I really might tap realest nigga on my face. Lil CC, let it slap with the bass. I used to save hoes with a mask in a cave. Now I'm like, nah, love, I'm good, go away. Ain't about to die with no money I done gave you. I was on top when that shit meant a lot. Still on top like I'm scared of the drop. Still on top and these niggas wanna swap. Niggas wanna swap like it's sauce in a Watts. I don't wanna change cause I'm good where I'm at. Mob tie, so I'm always good where I'm at. Word to Junior, Jazzy, Baby J. Tell them when I die, put my money in a grave.
Couple figures, kill a skull and collect. She fuck a nigga, then she on to the next. Really living large, she ain't all with a Mac. When you niggas thinking small in the mall with a rat. Roll with us if you really wanna get it. Go get a $500,000 in a Sprinter. Phone ringing, bitches know a big tipple. I got the hook up and there really no limit. Dead brokers in you nigga DNA. Ricky Smiley syndicated with the yay. Little nigga just another state case. Bury my motherfucker Chase Bank, time to bounce. Gotta count on my allowance. You niggas snitching, so I gotta rewrite it. A nigga dripping like I got $1 zillion. Got the trap jumping like Zayn when I'm rebounding. Then I'm out, and I never talk about it. The homie squad, but we all smoke the loudest. Rich niggas and I'm really being modest. Cause the way I do my deals never treated like an artist want the house. You could DM my account. My DM 6 figures and I'm counting. 9 figures was the goal till I hit it. These niggas ain't living, so bury mine with me. Ross got it.
When I die, put my money in a grave. I really gotta put a couple niggas in their place. Really just lapped every nigga in a race. I really might tap realest nigga on my face. Lil CC, let it slap with the bass. I used to save hoes with a mask in a cave. Now I'm like, nah, love, I'm good, go away. Ain't about to die with no money I done gave you.
Would you look at this? It's a half-pint film, bitch.
Y'all know what the fuck going on. We gonna free Frank with this one. You hear me?
Pull me up, baby. Pull me up, JT.
I got big rocks, big chain, big watch, big beams, big blocks, big bills, big blocks. I'll go rolling, no TikTok, fuck your hoe in my flip flops. Kicking this shit, no gym socks. That's about me, nigga. I been hot, ain't about money, nigga. Kick rocks, that's all facts. No Xerox, bust a couple shots, make it clear out. You pussy ass nigga, I don't hear about. I'm up one, 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 up one. I'm up one, up one, up one, up one. I'm up one, up one, I'm up one, I'm up one. Don't make me bust one. This big chopper, you'll touch some. Oh now, nigga, I'ma buck some. Nigga Think I ain't shooting out something. Hop out the whip, hoes come running. Man, a silly ass bitch ain't gon' fuck nothing. Hoes stop playing games, come suck some. Hey, bend it over, put it on your butt, honey. Hey, watch presidential. You top in the rental, hopped in the sprinter, fly individual. Big walk, thick knot, check my credentials. Kick back, keep it playing, ride with a nigga. Cup full of mud running up in my liver. Pray to God they don't put me in the hospital. Can't touch me, boy, I'm too hot, nigga. All that little bitty bitch gon' pop, nigga. Had to hide these rocks on my jock, nigga. If you playin', I'ma shoot him off top, nigga. Boy, I spent 30K on my watch, nigga. Put dick all in your whole crotch, nigga. Pop a shit, yeah, I pop niggas. Got a lick on the house, nigga. Hell no, I ain't stunning you, stank hoe. Street, yeah, RIP bankroll. I got big rocks, big chain, big watch, big beams, big blocks, big bills, big blocks. I'll go rollin', no TikTok, yo ho, in my flip flops. Kicking this shit, no gym socks. Ask about me, nigga. I been hot, ain't about money, nigga kick rocks. That's all facts, no Xerox. Bust a couple shots, make it clear out. You pussy ass nigga, I don't hear about. I'm up one, 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 up one. I'm up one, up one, up one, up one. I'm up one, up one, I'm up one, up one.
Never let a bitch nigga take my shine. Fuck waiting around, nigga, I'ma take mine. I'm up one now, but it took a little time. Petting for E for my time. Free little bro, you about to max out. Standing on stage with my scrap out. Everywhere I go, I got a racks out. Nigga try to take mine, it's a blackout. I'm getting money for real. I had a meal before the deal. Yeah, I get them pounds every week. I'm never off beat. I stay in the streets. Yeah, niggas be saying they won't beat, but soon as we meet, they wanna speak. Yeah, count this money till I fall out. On LeBron the way I ball out. Niggas running high when them rides out. Man, that shit was sweet. I took the hard route. I'm in Dallas. I got all my chains on. She keep calling my line, so I change phone. Hop out. Do you? Who you? Brush shoot. Run with the gang, we gon' pull up in grooves. Get you knocked off for a new pair of shoes.
I got big rocks, big chain, big watch, big beams, big blocks, big bills, big blocks. I'll go rollin', no TikTok, yo ho, in my flip flops. Kicking this shit, no gym socks. Ask about me, nigga. I been hot, ain't about money, nigga kick rocks. That's all facts, no Xerox. Bust a couple shots, make it clear out. You pussy ass nigga, I don't hear about. I'm up one, 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 up one. I'm up one, up one, up one, up one. I'm up one, up one, I'm up one. Play big bank, take a little bank. She booted on the molly, I'm on a little drink. Come slide by me, I want a little face. Think about it, I don't want relation with the little skank. Not take K, but I'm on a race. Big desert eagle, keep it on my waist. Motherfucker hater, yeah they gonna hate. Fall back a little bit, now I don't go on dates. Yeah, I stay sipping on the scissor. Got a lot of ice, like a blizzard. What's cracking, nigga? What's a wizard? In the trap doing magic like a wizard. Sipping me a foe, nigga slizzard. Small hoe giving brain like a nizzard. I ain't getting money, what you say? Come again, sir. Off in the loud, getting tossed where I been, sir. Getting drunk, getting full of this hin, sir. In my pants, y'all keep it about 10, sir. I'm alone, no, I don't need friends, sir. Got about 10 bad bitches in the bin, sir. Don't ask about that whole house, I ain't went there. Broke, been a long time since I been there. Boy, you niggas stressing, now you got thin her. My son ain't born yet, but it got about 10 per Gucci's. I got big rocks, big chain, big watch, big beams, big blocks, big bills, big blocks. I'll go rollin', no TikTok, yo ho, in my flip flops. Kicking this shit, no gym socks. Ask about me, nigga. I been hot, ain't about money, nigga kick rocks. That's all facts, no Xerox. Bust a couple shots, make it clear out. You pussy ass nigga, I don't hear about. I'm up one, 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 up one. I'm up one, up one, up one, up one. I'm up one, up one, I'm up one, up one.
I say only 21. Take that off too.
Oh Lord, Jesse made another one.
Hey, I say only 21 and she a savage. My bitch so bad she made my elder bill look average. I'm talking nasty, I call her my little bad bitch. She call me daddy, but I am not a daddy. I say only 21 and she a savage. My bitch so bad she made my elder bill look average. I'm talking nasty, I call her my little bad bitch. She call me daddy, but I am not a daddy. Sign a label dealer, still don't need her. What y'all paying for the bowl, cause I got cheaper reasons. I be strapped up at my show, you know I keep a heater. Blowing loud to keep a flow, cause all these people need me. When I was down, I was on my own, all these people need me. I had to branch up on my own, too many people leech. And I don't like no leeches, no I don't like no leeches. When I like fire, I used to like my teachers. Food out there, I'm eat. I mean it's free, turn free. Didn't really mean come see me. told me that she's 21. Her record still clean and she young. I looked a bit dead in the eye. Told her go get some more legal guns. I need that. How she only 21 and she a savage. My bitch so bad she made my other bitch look average. I'm talking nasty. I call her my little bad bitch. She call me daddy, but I am not a daddy. How she only 21 and she a savage. My bitch so bad she made my other bitch look average. I'm talking nasty. I call her my little bad bitch. She call me daddy, but I am not. Ain't doing other got it for me, baby. Cause I am not your daddy, I'm the fucking baby. I still remember back when we ain't had no money, baby. Had to act like I was watching something, wasn't no cable. I saw the screen, it was blue. I had no AC, it was hot. But now you can reach in my pockets and pull out a motherfucking knife. No, they can't stand on right. I know I'm the man, I'm so cocky. And we done hit all of these hoes. That shit from the city, we got her. You better come get him, we got her. Try to come get me, I shot him. I'm still in the city, ain't hiding. Touch one of my niggas, we ride. She told me that she's 21. Her record still clean and she young. I looked a bit dead in the eyes. Told her go get some more legal guns. I need that. How she only 21 and she a savage. My bitch so bad she made my other bitch look average. I'm talking nasty. I call her my little bad bitch. She call me daddy, but I am not a daddy. How she only 21 and she a savage. My bitch so bad she made my other bitch look average. I'm talking nasty. I call her my little bad bitch. She call me daddy, but I am not a daddy.
I just love my neighborhood. It makes me feel so wonderful inside. Especially when I hear.
Oh, this strip club anthem, nigga, what's up?
Young Money.
Yeah. Me and Mike Will pull up the AOD back to back. Them AMG 63s. I tell all my hoes, rake it up, break it down, bag it up. Fuck it up, fuck it up, fuck it up, fuck it up, bag it up, bag it up, bag it up, bag it up, rake it up, rake it up, rake it up, rake it up, bag it up, bag it up, bag it up, bag it up. I tell all my hoes, rake it up, break it down, bag it up, bag it up, bag it up, fuck 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 it up, rake it up, rake it up, rake it up. I made love to a stripper. First I had to tip her 20,000 once. She said I'm that nigga. I said I'm that nigga, bitch. I already know it. I come with bad weather. They say I'm a storm. VVS is in my chum. That's a Rockefeller chain. I was sending bricks to Harlem back when Jay was still with Dame. I'm in for leave child. I got a protect on. Okay. Got a stripper with me. She picked up the check home. She gon' fuck it up, fuck it up, fuck it up. She don't need makeup, makeup. She gon' rake it up, rake it up, rake it up. Tell the nigga pay up, pay up. She said pay for the pussy, pay for the pussy. Hey, wait for the pussy, wait for the pussy. Ask God to forgive me. Cause I pray for the pussy, pray for the pussy. I tell all my hoes, rake it up, break it down, bag it up. Fuck it up, fuck it up, fuck it up, fuck it up. Bag it up, bag it up, bag it up, bag it up. Rake it up, rake it up, rake it up, rake it up. Bag it up, bag it up, bag it up. I tell all my hoes, rake it up, break it down, bag it up, bag it up, bag it up. Fuck it up, fuck it up, fuck it up, fuck it up, fuck it up. Fuck it up, fuck it up, fuck it up. Rake it up, rake it up, rake it up.
Brought out the pink Lamborghini just a race with China. What the race to China? Just a race in China. But she mixed with China, real thick vagina. Smuggle bricks to China. I tell all my niggas, cut the check, bust it out, turn your goofy dog, pow. I'ma do splits on it, yeah, splits on it. I'm a bad bitch, I'ma throw fits on it. I'ma bust it open, I'ma go stupid and be a ditz on it. I don't date honey, cookie on tsunami. All my niggas wife me once they get that good punani. I think he need the bunny, I might just let them find me. Never trust a big butt and the smile work the Ronnie. Rep queens like Supreme, ass web and nitty. Ass been me and Joe, nigga run me my dough. This game is freezing like it waiting a cow. Nickname is Nikki, but my name ain't Nicole. Name ain't Nicole.
I tell all my hoes, rake it up, break it down, bag it up. Fuck it up, fuck it up, fuck it up, fuck it up. Bag it up, bag it up, bag it up, bag it up. rake it up, rake it up, rake it up, rake it up, bag it up, bag it up, bag it up, bag it up. I tell all my hoes, rake it up, break it down, back it up, fuck 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 it up. Fuck it up, fuck it up, fuck it up, rake it up, rake it up, rake it up. Well, I'm the dope boy, the one they talking about. All these gossiping ass niggas got my name in their mouth. I know the bad bitches, but no niggas who bitches too. They should bleed once a month, cause that what these bitches do. You a bitch, and your bitch should expose you. All that pillow talking, nigga, that what the hoes do. You a bitch. Word to my nigga short, we won't never write no statement. We ain't showing up in court. Bitch. We don't do no gossiping, we don't do no arguing. We don't beef on social sites, we just hit our target. We don't do no rumors, we don't pay no shooters. You a little bitty bitch, you should work at Hooters. You a old hater, you a fucking cougar. You a and he a, then y'all like twin sisters. Respect your hustle, get your money, baby, win with us. Your boyfriend acting like a, then why you still with I tell all my hoes, rake it up, break it down, bag it up, fuck it up, fuck it up, fuck it up, fuck it up, bag it up, bag it up, bag it up, bag it up, rake it up, rake it up, rake it up, rake it up, bag it up, bag it up, bag it up, bag it up. I tell all my hoes, rake it up, break it down, back it up, fuck 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 it up, rake it up, rake it up, rake it up.
So my
Hey, traders. Right, anything above 60 is bullish on the RSI. Anything below 30, I'm sorry, anything below 40 is bearish. Okay, 50 equilibrium zone of your relative strength index. So great news there. So you're not overbought. You're not overbought until 70. All right, and so that, and then the positive momentum has just begun to build. So a lot of fuel in the fire for Ethereum. Where the targets, if this breakout's to be real, which you never know if they're, I mean, the best way to know it's with confirmation, right? Breakout, and then back test the breakout as support. And ideally, you would want to break, hook, and go, which is an engulfing candle off the back test, so a 3-day, 3-candle process. But, you know, it starts with the breakout. So maybe you get a back test, but eventually, let's say this breakout is confirmed, whatever, no matter how it goes, and it's going to play out. We're talking to targets, two different targets, 2,500 and 3,000. That's it. I mean, that's clearly the measured move area of the structure, the symmetrical triangle that I guess it turned into. But what reinforces this to me, based on experience looking at waves and analysis, especially in this market in the past 5-6 months, it's that the XABCD stuff, right, where the asset sells off, it rallies, deep retrace, right? The key signature here is the retrace. That's an 88% retrace. You sold off and made the higher low. And if you watch the stream, you know how much I've been talking about this across the whole market. If you see an asset that rallies 78 to 88% of the way, then sells off and makes a higher low, you better look out, because that is where you're now on your last wave of this complex structure. The last wave, C to D. D, PCZ stuff up in this zone, 2,500 to 3,000. Okay, and that's not going to happen overnight. It will take a while, but I'm just talking about this, right? Bearish, deep crab. Yes, the bearish deep crab idea, and the wave would take us a 1618 fib extension. Sweet mother of God, it literally is $2,500. That's it. PCZ.
Reminder, tomorrow. Yes, tomorrow is the best day to join Patreon. Invest in yourself and support this stream. Happy Thursday, Mitch. Clinking beer mugs.
Tucker Food, thanks for the Verge coin in the jar, 690. Thanks for the advocacy for the Patreon. Yeah, first of the month tomorrow, so it's the best day to join the Patreon. Sure, absolutely, man. So, I want to say thanks to all the patrons from this month and the months previous. But if I don't see you again, thanks so much for your support, and for the ones that are sticking around, thank you for your continued support. And I'll see you tomorrow as well, right? So, in the Patreon chat, in the Discord. So that's what we got going on. Tremendous strength on a breakout. Where we were looking for this. The lipids test we had was, will this extremely bearish combination of variables play out? It did. It played out, but it underperformed, right? Never got to that 100% retrace before a nice rally, and then you sold off kind of inverse head and shoulder stuff, and then you broke that old confirmation neckline, whatever, of the head and shoulders pattern, and now you've broken, again, the supply line, but not just the supply line. We knew that would be confluent with the congestion area looking left, right? Horizontal line resistance and down sloping resistance at the same spot. Look how you've broken it. All right, so the next target, we were saying, if you could break that 2K, I'm thinking it would see 2K. I mean, as soon as Bitcoin, finds its way to 60K, I think Ethereum's going to see $2,000. So, good news, man. This is normally trend-ending stuff, right? This is where, wow, you look at this, it could get real bad, but the sentiment remains strong. You just made a higher low, as you can see on the daily, and you're going again. Strength, the bullish bias is still here based on the underperformance. Just like Bitcoin, right? Just like the tweet I posted a few days ago, where how do we know there's bullish bias? Extreme bullish bias based on the extreme buyer exhaustion on the oscillators for the first time of the entire rally, right? How it played out. The TA was certainly respected, where you did impending price action reversal implied, you got that. But that reversal only manifested into down sloping consolidation, which we know is normally bullish in this context for sure. And from that previous discernible low to high, a 61.8% retrace. So a 61.8% sale was on Bitcoin between 61 and 50%. That's a pattern completion zone of the bullish 5-0, as we've been looking at over and over and over. So, hey man, it's just not too much wild. I mean, it's not like that surprising, is all this stuff happening, because that bearish divergence played out, bullish engulfing Mara Bazoo, and then you ended up developing hidden bullish divergence. Oh, I don't know, Miguel, man. Thank you, dude. I think I saw maybe you posted something on Patreon, but I think that retrace was way too shallow for what would be A and C or something, the 2 feet of the dragon. Okay, so you get it. TA's being respected on both sides, and like Ethereum already has a couple positive histogram wicks going on its daily MACD histogram, and Bitcoin has none. Like moments ago, I mean, I guess not moments, but like maybe couple hours ago, where Bitcoin was just a little bit higher. I think Bitcoin was just sitting around 59,500 or something, 400. You were actually starting to go positive on momentum, which normally manifests into follow the price action, higher prices, and more histogram islands on those higher prices. So the stage is set. Certainly for price discovery to re-engage, where eventual targets between $67,000 and $72,000. Did a poll yesterday, my first community poll on YouTube, because we had already always relied on the straw poll, but we do have a month-long poll going. Here's the link to it, and it's just simply will Bitcoin's cup with handle pattern hit the measured move of 72K in April? And it's pretty funny, man. 1,400 of y'all voted on this so far, so maybe we get more people to participate. 81% of y'all, with the high majority of the audience of y'all, think that yes, it's going to happen in April, which will be insane based on the whole gapping thing, right? I still can't believe that. So go ahead and participate if you want. Thanks for the 5 super chat. All right, so what happened last night? I mean, I guess early in the morning there was some price action, some volatility, some longs getting liquidated, and then shortly after shorts were getting liquidated. Where here it is, Bitcoin on the 4 hour. Remember, bearish shark pattern turns into a potential bullish 5-0, and the best 5-0s have A, B, C, Ds from on their last wave, right? And this happened 1414, the reciprocal ABCD, excuse me, where this can bottom out between 113% retrace and a 1.618, and that's where the wave, after that D wave, look at the nice rally. There was, in fact, also bullish divergence down here. This was literally the bottom, was when the tornadoes were hitting my county like hard. So nice to see that, but look what's happened. We broke out of this downsloping consolidation, and we just merely back tested it as support. This is some serious confirmation on 4 hour, where it just went down, right? I mean, I think in a matter of maybe a couple hours, Bitcoin went from its highest point to its lowest point. You had a 5% swing, $3,000 swing on Bitcoin in like less than 2 hours, I think, last night. But it's good because anytime you regard an area that had been a resistance as support, I mean, that's a form of confirmation, so it's good. And now we're back above that February 21st high, holding that. The longer we stay above this, the higher probability becomes we're going to test 60K and then, the previous all-time high and beyond. So, yeah, Phillips, 66, man. What's up, Smitty?
PSXP, let's go.
Thank you for the 33 repeating, of course, man.
Bruh.
And the Belushi attempt, which we knew was never going to happen, but thanks. Yeah, we can look at Phillips that had a nice day today. Yeah. Tech finally had a comeback, man. Hey, AMD, NVIDIA, nice. Right at areas that kind of made sense for low risk. And a second bottom, that's what we want. I had lunch today with some new friends that are into this stuff, and I'm so happy I got to meet them. They might be watching the stream right now, so hello, friends. Thank y'all for the invite to lunch. And I know one of them at least is going down to Miami with me for the meetup, but between June 3rd and June 5th. So I'll be there if you want to go to it too and meet me. That's where I'll be at. Just don't be weird, okay? Don't don't be weird. Okay, so that's Bitcoin. We looked at Ethereum first. Let's look at the monthly. Why not? Looks like I've been on log scale all the time. Okay, here it is. Here it is. Right, Bitcoin on the monthly. What, 6 months in a row? 6 months in a row of higher prices on the close every time. Beautiful. You almost hit the measure move of the log scale symmetrical triangle. You have certainly hit the log scale high to low Fibonacci golden retrace, the 1618, perfectly and no higher. And sitting at stupid levels in the RSI, like 92. That is near the highest levels ever, but not quite there yet, right? I mean, 95 and 96.
What about the Coinbase BIPO? All the best from Amsterdam.
Oh, what about it? I don't think there's a date yet on when it's actually gonna launch or be posted, to actual IPO. What I think about it, I mean, the fees they charge, they're probably a cash cow. They probably make stupid revenue, right? For poor, unsuspecting new people trying to join just to buy some crypto. They'll, the price will be at 58K, someone will buy it, and Coinbase, the spread, they'll be like, oh yeah, well, you'll buy it at $700, maybe $1,000 above the actual ask, and then they charge the stupid fees on top of that. So I'm sure they're extremely profitable, so they might make some good revenue, right? So it might be good, but ugh. That's my thought on it. Okay, Dumpy, thanks for the 25 euro super chat. Total crypto market cap is all-time highs. Is it total? I like totals. Look at that, Chicago's. You're right.
Total crypto market cap is at 88.
Dude, holy crap, man. I mean, total, yeah. It did hit all-time highs for a moment today at 1.875 trillion. Wow. Hold on. Oh, this is still here. Jeez. It's all these old trend lines from like way back when it mattered, you know? There was actual, not parabola going on. Look at this. Isn't it gorgeous? Yes. So it's this is, I mean, it looks kind of like Bitcoin. Now, you know, we just talked about X, A, B, C, and then you're working on C to D now. It's absurdity when like, you know, you get the higher high and then a higher low. That's even stronger than, remember we saw the lower highs, the 88% retraces, 786s. When it goes to like 113% and then sells up, makes a higher low, it could be even more substantial. So that's even stronger, really, is what that implies. So, I mean, it's pretty easy to measure like your Fibonacci here for just extensions, but you know, it's an aggregate of a bunch of data total. This is all crypto, at least on TradingView. 1.923 trillion is the 1272 extension. The golden mean ratio is $2 trillion. I would think that's probably X marks the spot. So there you have it. Yep, all-time highs. So I guess Jesus chimes for that, right? Yeah, total 2 is doing well, breaking out. Yep. Just drinking coffee, dude. Where Bitcoin's really just stuck. I mean, 59K is such a strong resistance for it. I mean, you know, we did have a reversal March 20th there and kind of the 18th. So I think it's just maybe there's absorption of remaining supply at these levels. Certainly still some sellers since we haven't just started ripping yet. So fantastic to see the parabolic run continue, and 1 hour 35 minutes till your daily, monthly, and quarterly candle close. Let's look at that 3-month on Bitcoin. I think in the stock market had like, this is gonna be the 4th quarter in a row of like gains. Look at this. I remember us looking at this quarterly candle closing, and it was actually a breakout. Anyone remember this back when we were streaming? We were really focusing on that quarterly candle close, and it was the monthly candle close too. And it was like you had back tested for a couple weeks the resistance as support, but it didn't look like that on 3-month. It was just you broke out and then you just gone, right? 6 months of just 2 quarters of pure prosperity, life-changing money. Yeah, dude. So I mean, you're just at levels where it's like measured moves being hit, gold mean ratios, 1.618. I mean, I don't know what else you could ask for. I mean, is this gonna break that and just go to like $380,000, which is the 2618?
Trying to chart. Looks like 3 rising values on the weekly. Thanks for your analysis. Kings, elbow
So,
cough.
DJT, thank you for the 23 and change of something. Oh, it was cash. Thank you for the fiat. Sam T, man.
Sam T super chatted $69. Hi, sir. I think Band is making another run of that 20 wall. Check it out, please.
We'll look at Band. Band's that make her dance. Thank you, dude, for the 69. Super chat. Yes, we'll look at it, alright? Oh, well, let me go back to that. Need to look at before we get in the request. So remember, in my opinion, I feel like this is the breakout. You know, you broke out yesterday, and now you're spending today back testing the breakout as support. Not just the horizontal line resistance breakout, but the down sloping resistance breakout, as you saw on the 4-hour chart, the back test and the bounce. So let me look at some spend too much time on Bitcoin. Alright, so let's go to Litecoin, then we'll go to the index funds, and then gold. Gold got a bump today. Congratulations, man. Wow. Everyone's so excited, you know, that gold finally did something. Wow. Litecoin is hanging in there, not really doing much anything. It's up 0.09%, so absolutely nothing's been done. You know, 195 is an area of support resistance that has to be broken. As you can see, you're struggling with it. Nothing really implying upside right now, you know, but I think if you get above 195, you hold above it, I really think eventually 228 is going to get tested. There's not much support resistance between 195 and 228. As you see from history, look, straight up, straight down, straight up, straight down, straight up, straight down. I mean, it's pretty simple. So you get above 195 and you hold it long enough, eventually you're just going to go straight back up to 228. It's simple. It just, this like happens over and over and over, just like last time we talked about it, right? When it's breaking the neckline of that whatever symmetrical triangle or slanted inverse head and shoulders, it broke it. Where'd it go? 228. Boom. Hit that PCZ, perfectly reversed, and was just too strong to hit the PCZ of the bullish bat pattern. But so we settled for a 786, which is not the PCZ. But that's just indicating that the market is too strong, or at least Bitcoin's macro is not letting these altcoins hit their measure moves or their PCZs and stuff. All right. So that's probably your next target, 228, assuming Bitcoin just keeps going or goes sideways long enough. All right. That's it. Simple. Good to see everyone though. All right, S&P 500, you know, up 0.36%. This was not the story really. $4,000 was, you know, once you bounced off 3862, 4K, right? And you'll probably be there sometime next couple days, you would think, right? Assuming some crazy doesn't happen. And the story of today was tech and the Qs and Apple and Microsoft. Microsoft got this huge contract with the government. All right, so nothing's changed. Higher lows, higher highs. And once you break $4,000, you're thinking probably like 4120, just the upsloping resistance there of this structure. Dow Jones was the laggard. It got took a hit today. It didn't do well. I mean, how did it not do well? It's down 0.26%, but you know, the other index funds were doing well. So it's just at this point, man, wow, you actually got some possible class B bearish divergence on the 4 hour, right? Impending price action reversal to the downside. You might fall back into this channel. Definitely a possibility, but if you make a higher low, then you just might be setting up for an ascending triangle continuation. So industrial services company, join the Discord. Congestion zone, we're in BTR.
Hey Mitch,
it's not anything I can look at.
Thanks, have a great night.
BT, Bitcoin gold to US dollar. Sure, Michael. Yes, if you want. Sorry, dude. About BTR, BK Trap, I don't, right? If it's not on trading view, I can't look at it. And I don't know why I'd even want to look at it if it's not on trading view. So, it's not here, dude. Okay, gotta go to the next one. Yeah, you're 1 penny short, Michael. Get wrecked, dude. That's someone said in the audience. Just kidding. Yeah, I mean, it's pretty nice, dude. Accumulations here. Yeah, these BTC pairs. I was having a conversation at lunch today about the BTC pairs. It looks actually pretty good. It's below the 200-day moving average, but what it's doing, it's anything above 109 satoshis is actually pretty good. It also broke a down-sloping resistance, or did it? It didn't. My God! Do you see this supply line here? No breakout yet.
Love the stream, Mitch. Can we get a look on DIA/USD? Breaking all-time high soon. 1.618 of around $6.
Yeah, we can look at DIA. Thank you, Charles. Jacoby for the 20, sure.
Weekly too if you can.
So Michael, weekly on. Sure, yep. So this is great, man. Really big opportunity for DGB. Obviously the real crypto, right? The real standard of cryptocurrency. Connect. I bet it looks even prettier with an equidistant channel. Let's mess with it real quick. Move right there. How do we have it? Right here. Yeah, it's like that. So no breakout yet, right? The supply line, Wilkowski's bump and run would be up at like 150, but I really do like anything DGB to BTC above 109. There's hope. There's promise. There's a chance. That's it. I think there's that peak right there. There's the Scamwick high as well. So you're gonna have, if you really want to do things on, if you want to see DGB go insane, you're gonna have to break 142 to 159. Because if you do that, I think you're going up to 198. Right? There's nothing there. So that's it, dude. Accumulation is still in a downtrend, but made a higher low. So there's hope. And if you stay above 109 long enough, I think you're gonna run to test 142, 159 again. You break that. That's the big the zone. Right, the congestion zone where if you break it, really good things could happen. That's it. Okay. DGB to BTC. Next one was that. Been here before. I remember, hey, anyone remember when we looked at Bitcoin Gold and it was, we were talking about $16. If you break that, it could go insane. Went straight up to the next resistance.
Targets.
Sub RT Master, thank you. I don't know, man. We can look at it if you want to see that Bitcoin pair, sure. So yeah, anything, Danielson, when resistance support broken, straight up, straight down, straight up, straight down, straight up, straight down, straight up, straight down, straight up, and now you're breaking 35.83. Oh my god, above this area. Do you understand the upside potential is insane? Insane upside on Bitcoin Golds. It's trash. I have no idea what this crap even does anymore, but it's just the technicals. It's just the actual history of the asset, its price action correlation to support resistances. All right, I'm gonna draw one more trend line right there, that low from April 2018. You get above that, you hold above that, straight down, straight up, straight down. So you'd think it very well could go to $83 eventually. I know it sounds absolutely absurd, but that's reality. And how many of these freaking S coins have we looked at that have, once they break those resistances, where do they go? Cardano, VeChain, they just they go straight up to their next resistance, and that's where Bitcoin Gold's next resistance is. Okay. This is huge. Breaking out of a range it's been in since freaking July, June of 2018. Bruh. Bitcoin Gold, by the way. But at the same time, if it fails and you fall back through this zone of chop, you could find yourself all the way back down to $15. So it is just a matter of, I mean, I think there's lots of accumulation going on. It looks like there's absorption of the remaining supply at an area of congestion, the last remaining area where there would be supply, where there would be reasonable, understandable sell orders. Above that area, there aren't. It doesn't make any sense why there'd just be random big sell orders at $58, $65, right? Nothing makes sense until $83. Okay, so just be on the lookout, man. I know we had looked at it before and it looked good down here. We knew if it broke $16, it could go straight up to the next level. Or maybe it was like, I can't even remember anymore. Maybe we were looking at it initially when it was hitting this. Dude, anything above this area could be extremely promising. Or I mean, it could double in value. Literally, Bitcoin Gold could double in value. All right. Oh, you wanted to see the weekly as well. All right, weekly. It's probably gonna look better. Yeah, it's a lot clearer, I guess. I mean, it's clearer in regards. There's less candles, less noise. Everything's the same though. Like this breakout is momentous. This will be the highest candle close for Bitcoin Golds in 4 days and 1 hour since May 28th, that week of 2018. That's big time, dude. That's a big deal. That's like, hey, if you're like watching ESPN and they always bring up stats with statisticians, this is it for Bitcoin Gold. You're just thinking about a little disclaimer at the bottom saying that what I just told you. Okay? It's a big deal. Anyway, there you go, Michael. Next one. Well, this one looked amazing before, and it's just gone insane since. So we'll start on the weekly with DIA. Look at this. You understand how close it is to breaking to all-time highs.
If I were green, I would die.
Thank you, EB, for the greens and blues. Please don't die. Thank you for the sevens.
Bruh.
Thank you, dude. So again, 412. You break that. Yeah, price discovery activated. Look at this, man. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 weeks in a row, just insanity. High to low. I'm going candle to candle, not wick to wick. First target's like $5. $5 psychological resistance and a 127 2 extension. That's where DIA would be headed if it does break out and go into price discovery. But that's it. But yeah, we had identified how much better, how good it looked right here. This was it, dude. Right? It was back testing what was once resistance, the top of the trading range. This is called the backup. The backup, man. Where the asset gets a markup and sells off and back tests the accumulation range as support. It showed a triple bottom right here. Look where it went. And now it's just at that top. Okay? And as you got back above this other area from September 14th, you got above it. You spent a little time back testing it. But now here you are engulfing on the 4 hour, 41 minutes to that close. And yep, you're just on the cusp of insane glory where it could go insane. Right? Like it could just go to $5. Price discovery. But at the same time, if it stalls out, Bitcoin dumps or something, I mean, it could double top. But man, you gotta love that 200 moving average being respected as support, as well as the last remaining point of congestion. Right? Straight down. This was, yeah, it's kind of interesting here, where it didn't quite make it to the top. I think it was because Bitcoin sold off. Yeah, February 21st, that was Bitcoin's buying climax, right? That's the area we're trying to backtest the support right now. Remember what happened Bitcoin after it had its buying climax? You had a big sell-off. So did the alts. So yes, it dumped there because of the macro. But yeah, big breakout coming on DIA. It seems can add an alert to break all-time highs. We'll hear the beep. Man, we've been going, dude. Non-stop. I feel like I just blacked out. We're gonna make it, chat. We're gonna make it. Oh my god! Scott Carney followed me on Instagram, dude. I didn't know Scott Carney was on Instagram. Let's go, dude. Harmonic_patterns is his handle. Followed him back. Wow, dude. Looks like no one has Instagram in this chat. I don't blame you. Alright.
Noise! Link to BTC isn't ready, Sensei.
What's up, Sad Higeki? Let's look at we'll look at it, alright? Thank you for the 20. My man. So the next request was that. Whatever this is. Some S coin to the best performing asset on the planet. By far. Oh, that looks good, man. mean, kind of anyway. My first time ever seeing it. Clearly the selling subsiding some. Never got anywhere near like the more major area, did it? Never back tested it, ever. I don't like that. You always want to feel comfortable with forms of confirmation with back tests and double bottoms and stuff, but yeah, it's kind of right. Momentum, hard to say it's shifting. You got one valley and a second valley, and you're popping. You're up 11% today. Oh, it's called the secret network chat. Whoa, super secret. And these situations, man, it's just kind of bottoming out. I mean, where? So just right here. That high from October 13th. Yeah, so maybe you back test that as support or something at 5,037 Satoshis. But you're not showing accumulation really yet, are you? I mean, it's like maybe a little bit. But I would think there's probably... I mean, how do you plot a supply line here? Look, it just keeps changing, you know. Even if you were like here to the newer one, I guess it's breaking out, you know. Really kind of tough to I don't really see much of a structure, you know. If all right, say this. Let's just say this. Say it holds above 5,037 sats long enough. I guess we could. If you want a common retrace, high to low on your, you know, Fibonacci. Between, if it's just gonna make a common everyday retrace here, like this is the bottom, we don't know. It's really, I mean, the best support would be 4K sats, but like between 6,669 and 7,978 sats, that's your golden zone, the common retrace area for an asset that is gonna just make a common retrace and then reverse there. So I don't know if the bottom's in yet on this asset. It's not really showing too much of an edge. I guess it showed a little bit of hidden bullish divergence before it started taking off on the MACD, but I don't know, man. Much better things out there to look at to go long on or something. So I don't know. Secret network. Dude, imagine shilling an S-coin, like unironically, thinking it's gonna have any effect on the price. You're just gonna get banned if you just spam. Look, you got a Telegram group of an S-coin that you want to get rich off of, and you want to pump it. Well, this is not the place to be pumping your crap. Okay. Discord link's not working. Do we need a new link? Been here before, Saya. Link to BTC. Here it is. It's your textbook. Bullish what? Oh yeah, you're dang right about it being ready, man. I mean, we're talking to 786. You're pretty much there. Oh my god, dude. Oh, look at this. Triple RSI bullish divergence on the 4 hour. Wow. Up 4%. This is exactly where dreams are made. This is the exact, absolutely ideal context where you want to see a harmonic. You know what this implies, right? This means that link to the US dollar could go nuts, but it's going to outperform Bitcoin. This is what I'm talking about, right? Link, yes. Targets eventually for link. 79,000. Say $75,000 to $79,000. That's your target on link to BTC. Once it breaks above 53,299, that's when the insanity begins. That's where it's going to go straight up to those levels. Okay. This is it, Larry. Link to BTC. Unbelievable. Holy crap. It's very rare we get these opportunities when they present themselves so purely, so beautifully like Link is right here, okay? Fantastic. What a great stream so far.